morning for this Monday morning, March 11th. It is my daughter's 10th birthday today, so it's unbelievable. Just not to get out the subject, but boy, I can't believe it's been 10 years since she was born this morning. So, Olivia's birthday. All right, let's talk about the two trades that we're currently in. Wynn Resorts, WYNN is the first one we will talk about real briefly. If you recall, we went long last week at a price of 117.53 as the market took out the high of this bar right here, right, this inside pattern. Granted, the 50 exponential right here and the 200 is right here. Big spread between the 50 and the 200. They're not even close. I definitely like when they get close because that's typically when you get powerful moves. Look at how close they are right in here. Plus you had that golden cross, the 50 up through the 200 here, came down into nice support, created that inside pattern here as the 50 and the 200 were close. Once it penetrated up through that high, you got a nice run and you continue to run. But right now, I still think it looks good. Again, I'm long, even though those two moving averages are real far apart from one another. Every time I take a trade based on this same pattern, we're not risking a whole lot of money. So right now, again, we're long at 117.53. Our first profit objective is 120.44, right up in here. All right. The stop has been brought up to a price of 115.63 now. 115.63. So the 115.63 level is right below here. Right below, yeah, this low right here. 20 cents below this bar here, which happened, the one I'm clicking on. It's an outside, it's an engulfing pattern. See, the high of that bar took out the prior bar's high and the low took out the prior bar's low. So let's see, right in here, that's the stop right now. So what are we risking on that? What? All right, coming into the day, the initial stop loss, okay, I had moved my stop originally, all right, from 114.94 coming into the today at 115.63, below the low of this outside bar, okay? But while I've been doing this video, the market opened up, and the market, as you can see, has run up to 118.55, which means it has cleared the prior three bars highs. Look at 118.61, it's moving higher. So it cleared above 118.22, 118.27, 118.28. You've taken out all of these highs. So what I'm going to now do is I'm going to move the sell stop even further up. Okay, look, we've been in this trade for 4 days now, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm going to move it up to below Friday's low. Friday's low is 116.65. I'm going to move it up to 116.45. Remember, stocks above $100, I typically use a 20-cent penetration right through highs or lows. So again, 116.45. I'm going to move it up to 116.45. Now I'm risking $1.08 only on this trade. Look at 118.94. Again, our first objective is 120.44, okay? So we're looking to make almost 3 points on this, and we're risking a little over 1. So now this trade becomes a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So again, I'm taking that sell stop, I'm moving it up to 20 cents below Friday's low of 116.65 to 116.45. So that's where I'm at on this trade, the win. Let's go to the next trade that we've been in, and that is what? RIG, TransOcean. Not looking great. It's been, we went long as the market took out the high of this bar here, 53.33. We went long at 53.43. Again, stocks below $100. I typically use a 10-cent penetration. So 10 cents above 53.33 is 53.43. So we're long at 53.43. Initial stop loss 51.81. Right below the low of this. Right, 10 cents. Let's put this. Start 10 cents below the low of the inside pattern, huh? Right, 10 cents below it. 51.81. So 10 cents below 51.91 is 51.81. We'll move it right there. I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, I know the market's consolidating in here. Okay, I know. Again, the market this is the fourth day we've been in this trade. It's not doing a whole lot. Now I definitely see, you know, we're starting to create a little ledge in here. And the volatility, as you can see, these bars in here are definitely smaller. They're getting smaller, right? Last Thursday, this is Friday, and this is today. Volatility is getting a little, the ranges don't seem to be quite as large the last couple of days as they had prior to that. I'm still going to leave my stop, give it room to breathe right down in here. Okay. Again, that is trading at 51.81 is where our stop is going to be on this trade. Okay, let's take a look at a couple currencies. We haven't looked at currencies in a while because I've been covering a lot of stocks. So let's go to those. The first one I want to jump to is, look at, this is classic. Okay, this is the US dollar Japanese yen, and I know I pointed this trade out about a week and a half ago. Again, this is a double inside pattern. Look at these two white bars here. Something you can really learn from here. Obviously, the trend is up, and if you recall, remember this trade down in here? Look at that. Right? Trend change from down to up right in here. Green bars to up. Came down. Look at this. Right between the mid band and the 50 exponential moving average right in here. Created a tight little inside vertical bar right here. Broke it. Nice run. So huge run. Right in here. Double 3-minute inside pattern. 2 in a row is the market took out this high right in here. Let's get an exact price. And I know I called that out. Well, how many days ago was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But 7, 8 days ago is when it took it out. When it took out this high of 92.42. I mean, look at, that's a 400 pip move to the upside. I mean, these are trades that you're looking for constantly. All right. So that's a great example there. I know that the British pound, US dollar, I recall when I look at when the trend changed from up to down right in here. See how the bars turn from green to red right in here. When they turned red below the 200 exponential moving average, and the market had broken through this low, which was significant at the time. First pullback between the mid to the upper right there was a nice sell. Market's been straight down. We're patiently waiting for this market to pull up. We're looking to sell this market on resistance, so we're going to patiently wait for the pullback on this market. Now on the Euro US dollar, the trend had been up for a while. We just turned, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, a week before last. You see how the bars turned from green to red on this bar. Not through the 200, but we've been through the 50 for a while now. We took out this low. So I think we'll be looking at this. If the market's able to pull back up into resistance, we would be looking to potentially sell this market as well. Let's see if there's another one setting up. We've got the Swiss franc. The Swiss franc actually turned from red to green right in here. And we've actually passed up through the 200 exponential moving average, right, on this run up to this high. So we're going to patiently wait for a pullback and potentially look to buy this market. I'll let you know what I'm looking at there. Canadian dollar, this has changed as well from red to up to green right in here. Pull back, mid to lower. I mean, this is a nice trade. I mean, look at the 200 and the 50, relatively close to one another down in here. Turn up right in here. Pull back right between the mid to the lower, right close to the 50 as well. And as you can see, you got the rally up here. Looking for a pullback into some type of support in here. I'll keep you posted on this one as well. So hopefully you'll have a good trading day today. Let's see where the market's at now. The market has opened up to, all right, market opened up down just slightly. I mean, look at Friday, the market closed. Let's see, this is overnight. right there. Market closed at 1544.5, opened up today 1543 3/4, pretty much unchanged. And we'll see what happens today. Have a profitable day.